In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete H&R Block tax return. By the end, you'll know how to clear your current return to start fresh, and, if needed, how to delete your account entirely. I'll walk through each action and share a few tips so you can proceed confidently. First, let's clear your current return so you can start over without closing your account. Sign into your H&R Block online account and head to the DIY main menu for your current tax year. From there, look for the option labeled Change Products. This takes you to a set of management tools for your current filing. In that menu, choose Clear and Start Over. You'll see a warning explaining that this removes the information you've entered for this year. This does not delete your account or your prior year filings. It simply resets the current return so you can begin again. If that's what you want, confirm by selecting Yes, Clear My Return. Give it a moment, and your return will be reset to a clean slate. Now, if your goal is broader, if you want to close your account entirely, there's another path. Start by selecting Save and Exit to make sure you leave any open interview screens. Then choose Go to My Block to return to the main dashboard. On the dashboard, open the Account area, typically found at the bottom left of the page. In your Account area, go to Security Settings. Here, you'll find the option to delete account. Select that, review the on-screen details about what will be removed, and then choose Continue to confirm. A few important notes before you proceed. Clearing your return is the best choice if you simply want to fix mistakes or begin again for the current year while keeping your account and any prior year documents intact. Deleting your account is a permanent step that can remove your access to stored documents, messages, and history tied to that login. If you think you might need anything later, consider downloading your forms and records before you continue. Also, if you have any pending actions, like an e-file in progress, be sure to review those statuses first so you don't disrupt something you intended to keep. That's it. Use Clear and Start Over when you need a fresh start on this year's return, and use Delete Account only if you're sure you want to close your profile completely. Follow the prompts carefully, read each confirmation screen, and you'll be done in just a few minutes.